Okay, so I found this piece of wood that I liked, and I started carving on it, and I let the wood kind of tell me where it wanted to go. So it started to wind up looking more and more like a hoof of a goat. And so what I decided to do was to make a wooden vampire stake so we can kill some vampires when the zombie apocalypse comes along and the vampires get along. So it's this wooden stake that I made to look kind of like a goat's leg, and then the bone is carved into a handle, and you can kind of see the detail, kind of like hair on the leg of the goat hoof, but it ultimately turns into the broken leg of a goat that's been turned into a vampire killing wooden stake. Um, I've got to finish up cleaning it up and sanding it and getting all the little details cleaned up and everything, but this is my first vampire killing wooden stake looking like a broken off leg of a goat. All right, there you go.